Okay, so basically this is how the car is without it. Now the problem is that the paddles, for example, when you actually move the wheel, they're too small, especially when you're turning a corner to press it, or when you're underneath the wheel is where I predominantly rest my hand when I'm just cruising. It can get a bit difficult to then press the paddles, and so that is why I wanted to get the paddle shift extenders. I ended up getting the ones from Ultimate Customs, and I'll show you now. So these are the ones that I end up getting. The good thing is, as you can see, they're metal. The problem is that a lot of people, they end up getting the ones that end up having glue on them, and the problem is when you put them on, the glue residue gets left behind and it kind of ruins the paddles. So I ended up getting these ones anyway. They're metal, and there's basically a screw. What happens is a screw goes into this gap over here on the other side. It's Allen key. Tighten it, and it basically holds the paddle together and it keeps it in place. And the benefit of this one is, I'm just going to put it in now, just like that, simple, and you're just going to pull it towards you. Going to apply a bit of pressure, not too much, don't want to break it. There we go, just like that. The next is very simple. Basically you do have a screw and you have an Allen key, so you just want to put the screw in like so, let it go all the way in. Then you just want to tighten the screw just like that, clockwise. Just get it tight, not where it's finger tight, but just where you feel the bit of pressure. And that is pretty much the finished product. I went with red in the end because it didn't have any silver in stock. But as I said, the main key thing is, like, if you're turning the vehicle, your hands on the left hand side or the bottom, you can literally just depress the shift paddle, and you can press it very, very easily. And that is the reason why I really wanted it. I kind of wanted silver because it kind of matches the accents, but I'm kind of going for red layout. I do also have the red LEDs that I did put underneath the vehicle as well, underneath the seats, should I say, because you have the white already in default in the footwell, so they're just under the seat. So you do have that red accent. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.